Photoshop. Here we will generate the design, create the picture. There we will use the shapes. We have to add the changes there. Make another design. We will use the shape as well. Let's generate the further design there. I will make a pattern stamp as well. Create another picture. Here we will create the diamond design. So we will add the design here. I will use an eraser tool to make it more attractive.